Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the SuuntoPlus Moon app and how you can use it when you're doing an activity on your Suunto vertical watch. So if you watch my videos in the past, I've shown you how you can look at your moon phase information. You can either have it as a data field on the watch face, or you can use the sunrise sunset widget to look at your current moon phase. But there's also a SuuntoPlus app called Moon that you can download, and it'll work when you're doing an activity. I'm going to go ahead and press the up button on the watch. We need to get to an activity for me to show you this. I would think in most cases, probably hunting, fishing, maybe if you're doing a long expedition or a trek or something like that, this would be where this would come into play for you. But go into the hunting activity, just like any other activity with the SuuntoPlus apps, you're going to want to go down to SuuntoPlus, and we want to turn the app on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in. I just installed it, so it should be towards the bottom of the list, and there it is. It's labeled Moon. Simply turn it on for whatever activity you want. I'm going to go ahead and press the back button, and we're going to go ahead and start the activity, and I'll show you what it looks like. So our activity has begun. I can press the middle button to go through my different views, and one of the views I've got is going to be Moon. This is what the SuuntoPlus Moon app looks like. Unlike your watch face, it gives you a little bit more information. I can see when is moon set, when is moon rise, when is the next new moon, 7 days from now, when's the next full moon, and then again, I can see what percent of the moon I can see. The odd thing is in this screen, you don't see the moon phase itself. You don't see a picture of it. You just see the details. Whereas if you want to see an actual visual picture, you would have to go to the sunrise sunset widget or back to your watch face. But nonetheless, that's what it does for you, is if you're going hunting. I'm showing it on the hunting app. I wish they would bring back the hunting timer feature that they used to have on the Traverse Alpha Stealth model, but at least you've got some moon information while you're hunting or fishing from SuuntoPlus. Anyway, that's a look at the SuuntoPlus Moon app. I hope the video helped.